Alright, well, it's obviously early. The sun is not out, so let's hope it's a good day. We're before sunrise. And here we are at Wally World. Let's see what they've got for us this morning. Alright. As much stuff as there is here, there isn't anything we're looking for. Because, yeah, there's no Roxys or Rexys. Man, wouldn't it be nice to find a Roxy? Just kind of like, hey, look at me. But, I guess we're too early to Walmart again. See you guys at the next one. We got a Target. Alright, is it a new bin? How's it been? Oh, it's just been here. Yeah, I know the first one. It's been looked at. There's the new. There's the Mark. Another DeLorean. This might be the one that we left here the other day. Is that new? That's not a big case. No. No. That's it. Walmart is next. See you guys there. Well, I guess hunting early has its perks. Because look at this sunrise. It's beautiful. Alright, so here we are in Walmart. It's going to be a quick one because the music is loud. No one's really here and there's nothing really here. Oh, but we got a Walmart. Let's see what we've got. Well, seems like we're a little too early. They haven't put anything out. We got the Mustang, the Stars and Stripes, the 90s tree, some neon speeders. Wow, it's slim pickings, although this is such a flop. They're everywhere. There's no way we're that early. No, we got some premium. Hey, what's up with the Civics in the premiums? There's another one. Look at that. Right at Walmart. Well, we do have three, so we'll leave these two. Check it out. Washington, PA, Walmart, they got them. Alright, Target is here. Let's go see what they've got. Alright, and we do have a new case again. No new premiums. Oh, there's a C case in here randomly. Alright, let's see what's in here. It looks like, no, it's definitely new stuff. You know, when you have a Target, you always stop at and you don't find anything. Well, that's how I feel about this spot. But then again, let's see. You never know. Alright, so there you go. Well, that's good. What else is different? Okay. Stop. Hopefully we find something. Right? It's always a mystery on what it's going to be. This one is not a... Oh, so here's the B case, right? Yes. Another B case is in our present. Maybe even two, because I do see two Jeep Wranglers. That's a Civic. Oh, three Fiats. Oh, my heart almost dropped. I'm like, there it is. B case, which is the B case, is just not the Super we're after. Oh, that would, you know, there's no treasure here, so it's a clear sign of some of those here before us. Especially with this one missing. Somebody potentially could have got it. As far as RaceDays, there are a lot of them here. No Roxys or Rexys. Another indicator that we're a little bit too late. And that's it. See you guys in the next. But what? Let's see if CVS got anything. Well, I guess they do actually have them. This is PKs from last year. But a couple different ones. That's it for CVS. Oh, we got Target. Let's see what they've got. Alright, so we got Target, and they seem like they got the B case, right? Yup. So the Jeeps. Oh, there's the Mario Kart. Which ones are you missing?
Well, I just go for the ones that I like, and then I look for any of the treasure hunt or the super treasure hunt.
Oh, what's the latest super treasure hunt you've got?
I didn't get any.
You don't have one yet?
For this year?
Or any year? Which one is the last one you got?
The last one I got was last year.
Last year?
Mustang.
Oh, the Gas Monkey.
No, the GTO purple one.
Purple. Oh, okay.
It was a super treasure hunt.
The convertible.
Right.
Yeah.
This year I only got one.
So that's it for the
hunt.
B case. Alright, let's go see what Target's got for us today. Alright, so they got a fresh bin here. Let's see what other fresh bin. There's the Carolina Merc.
Treasure hunt.
There's our treasure hunt too. Hold on to that thing. Let's see if this has been all looked at. It looks like there's another case right on top. So if that's the thing, then we don't have the super because I just saw the other one too. Somewhere. Oh my god, this is oh, there it is. So 1 and 2. There's no super here. We'll still look at these and see what we can find. There might still be something good. Yeah, it's never fun when there are too many of them and you can't see anything.
Oh, no Target.
Alright,
Look at the house.
so far nothing worth mentioning. We do have another collector here. Looking at this stuff. Did you say you found 1 or 2 treasure hunts?
2.
Oh, okay. So there's at least 3 cases in here.
Well, you got one.
Yeah.
You got
Fish and chip. Which one did you get?
the fish and chip.
Oh, 2 of them?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you have 3 B cases then. Is what seems to be here. I didn't see any premiums yet. I wonder if the new slice trees up. GTR. And all of this.
These look like they're gone through already.
Yeah, these seem like the older ones.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, let's see what Target's got for us. Alright, seems like we're a little too late to the bin. Yeah, definitely too late. Oh. Let's see how many we have here. Because this is, we're right on time. Just at the wrong location. Oh, yeah, look at this. There's 6 of them. That's 3 packs. These greens are messing. But yeah, I had a good feeling. I was like, something's done. Although it's not a chase, we still are right on time. And yeah, once again, oh no, somebody got the chase. Never mind. There's the 7th one. Only 1 is missing. And whoever looked at the bin, they got the chase. Oh, we're definitely too late. But that's the whole thing, is like you can't win them all. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, we go to Walmart. Let's see what they've got. Let's jump right into Team Transport. And both of these are the peg warmers. There's a Bentley, Slice Tree, 3 of those. 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 of those. Somebody helped himself to an invisible Senna. Other than that, these are really nicely organized, which tells me they've been out here for a while. However, there is no hot. Ooh, wait a minute. Those 5, 6 don't belong here. What's going on? They also got the ultra hot neon speeders. I mean, a little too late. See you guys at the next one. Alright, so for the first time, we found the haulers. Let's see if any of these haulers are something that we might want. Let's see. Daytona. That's another one. Yep. 2 Daytona. West. This is the long limos. There's 2 of those. Oh, this is what is this? Ford C950. That means that one other one of these is also the same thing. It's gonna be the long limos. Well, this one does have the same thing as the other one. And last but not least, this one's gonna be the same one as the green one. So 2 orange, 2 green, 2 black. That's it. We got a Dollar Tree. Let's see what Dollar Tree's got for us today. Okay, so it looks like Dollar Tree's have their suitcase as well. There's the regular. That means a new super here. At least we're somewhat on time. I think this has actually been here for quite some time too. But then again, you never know. This could be just better. Highly doubt it. It's been here for a minute. And Tooligans here, we're in luck. No Tooligans. No, we ain't the first ones. Somebody beat us to the way. See you guys at the next place. That's gonna do it for this hunt. Like, comment, and subscribe. Live fast, die cast.